Jose. Jose, tell him what's up, man.
Damn, I'm bad on camera.
Man, you gotta shout yourself out, man. Hey, gang, tell them folks, bro.
Check the Instagram.
I got you. Send that junk to me.
Rap, anything like that, I do it.
Man, Rio's vinyl rap, bro. Stop playing with him, bro.
And then
Hey.
detailer right here.
Are you the detailer?
Yeah.
Did you touch it up?
No, not today, bro.
Damn, you
Shit,
don't
what's
have.
up?
I'm gonna bring it back.
What's up, baby?
You know, me and Rio, we finna do something. We finna do something. So we finna be here a lot. You already know when you get it from the dealership, you gotta bring it straight to him. You get it right.
Hey, that one from the dealership. Go.
Which one?
The vet from the dealership.
Hey, can I show him the vet?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna show him the vet. But you know what we doing, man. You know what we doing. I'm finna show y'all something real quick, but this right here crazy. Now this here, I might have to sell that Hellcat. God dang. I ain't gonna lie, I see these in the streets and I never get close to them.
Yeah, the dealerships. She came in for a polish, ceramic coating, glass coating.
Bro, I'm
wheels wrapped, the
talking
roof,
I'm
wrapped the
talking
pillars.
about straight from the dealership. So you guys are doing, y'all got PPF or
Yeah, it's PPF on the front end.
PPF on the front end? Boy, bro, this junk hard, bro. Let me tell y'all something. They gotta hang around the right folks. Cause if you don't hang around the right folks, you never gonna see stuff like this up in person. Boy, this junk right here, crazy. Yeah, pop the trunk, pop the this a mid engine car anyways. It ain't got no trunk. I ain't gonna touch it. You gonna touch it because you gonna clean it after this. I ain't gonna lie, there's some nice wheels, bro. StingrayR. But that junk's stupid.
I ceramic coated the wheels too, so.
Boy.
And they're about to come off to do the barrels.
Yeah, hey, I ain't coming back. Y'all not finna take my money. But the interior is stupid, bro. God. Boy, this one's stupid, bro. This thing right here. Woo!
What's the YouTube?
LLG 5201.
201.
Go on, search. Let me show you which one it is. Hey, y'all see people subscribing. Y'all need to go subscribe. Now I gotta pay. That's a bad part. Enough of the showing off. Say, look, we finna go get the siblings from school right now. If we can hop on the E-way in like a few minutes. Get y'all that wine. Boy, that wine right there crazy. Wait. Ain't cutting up. Ain't cutting up. This one right here. Wine upon man, like Lewis be saying. Y'all hear that wine? Freeway now, we probably can make it a 10. Oh yeah. Can't see what's on the dash, so you can't judge. But I gotta meet up with Ryan today too. Finna talk about investment. Hellcat. It's on 500, bruh. This ain't even 707. It's a blank key. Boy, this car make me different, bruh. It make me different. I'm a different human, I swear to God. I swear to God. I don't usually do it, but you know I'm a good kid, right? Yeah, good kid too. But when you bring them toys out, you gotta, you know what I'm saying?
different with this Hellcat. It would never done that in a BMW. I go 12 in front of him.
And he's slowing down traffic. Cats out the bag for real.
Let me say cats out the bag.
That's what they say, bro. Cats out the bag, bro.
What's going on, Henry? Yeah, yeah. Fidel, man, that man went crazy. Yeah. He right here. He in here. Yeah, he right here.
Man, I ain't do nobody like that, fool. I don't know what y'all talking about, bro. What I do, bro?
I might just go return my car. That's it, man.
Hey, man, I had to return mine, bro. I had to return mine, too, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta give something up to get something. That's how the world works.
Yeah, bro. Hey, send me pictures of it. Let me see it.
Alright, send them.
You
I'm
gonna send them to us,
gonna send you some for him.
Alright.
Cats out the bag, bro. You hear that? I ain't do nothing. I just simply went and purchased a car.
New car?
Yeah, what going on?
My dad, he gave me a little.
Fancy.
He gave me a little bit of money.
I love it.
Thank you. It loves you too. Y'all hear that, bro? Y'all hear that? I don't know what
That's
she
what,
talking
that's what them
about.
cat do, man.
That what the cat's out the bag. Cat out the bag.
Hey, let me get Noah. Hey, no, come here real quick. What he tell his dad?
Man, tell him you gotta scoot up, man.
What's going on, bruh?
What's up with you, bro?
Hey, bro, we doing $200 rides, bro.
150 for a ride.
$200 rides,
Supercharged. What's up, man? You straight good?
Yeah. Oh my God, bruh.
Hey, Miss Carter.
Hello, wait till I tell Jeremiah about this.
Man, tell her my dad love me some money. It's a boy. You wanna hear it? You wanna hear it? I'll let you hear it. You know what it do? You know.
He not driving.
I know we gotta let him drive it. We got to.